Hello my dear friends. Today we will be discuss the third exercise of triangle and its property. Okay? So in this exercise we will be know a important rule. What is the rule? We will be discuss this one. The rule is what? It says that rule is called angle sum property. What is the meaning of angle sum property? Okay, before going to the angle sum property, let's revise the previous chapter a little bit. Okay, in the previous chapter we know that what in a triangle, what there are two types of angles are there. Yes or no, my dear friends? Yes, very good. So what are the two types of angle you are finding here? Yes, that is what one is interior angles which is present inside the triangle, and another is called as exterior angle. Yes or no? And we know that what? That exterior angle is equal to the opposite side of sum of angles of two of the opposite side. Or you can say that the exterior angle is equal to what? Sum of interior angles of opposite side. Understood? Means this angle is equal to this plus this. If it is 110 degree, then sum of this and this must be 110 degree. We know that. Yes or no? And we studied about what? Acute angle, obtuse angle, right angle, straight angle, okay, and complete angle. Yes or no? Now today we will be studying about what do you mean by angle sum property. So it is very important for you because it will be help to your future classes also. Remember this one. What is angle sum property? Now come to the point. The meaning of angle sum property is nothing but it's saying that in a triangle, how many interior angles are there? 3. So let name it A, B, C. How many angles are there? 3 angles, 3 vertex, 3 sides. So write the angle first. Angle A plus angle B plus angle C. Here say that sum of 3 angles, 3 internal angles is equal to 180 degree. Remember this one. Sum of 3 internal angle is equal to 180 degree. This is called angle sum property. What is that? Angle sum property. So in angle sum property, what you know? That sum of or the total of interior angle is equal to 180 degree. Understood? Okay, very good. Now it is your topic, it is there. It is in your exercise, it is there. Remember this one. If two angles are given, suppose angle, this one is 60 degree, this one is degree, and it's asking about angle C. Then what you have to do? Write the statement. Angle A plus angle B plus angle C is equal to 180 degree. Why? Angle sum property, ASP. Okay. Now put the values. Angle A is how much? 60 degree. Angle B is how much? Angle B is how much? It is also 60 degree. But angle C is not given. So put here X is equal to 180 degree. Now solve it, my dear friend. 60 plus 60, 120 degree plus X is equal to 180 degree. Yes or no? Now this 120 will go to the opposite side. It will be subtract with 180 degree. So X degree is equal to how much? 180 degree minus 120 degree, it is equal to 60 degree. Yes or no? Now this one is also coming as 60 degree. Like this manner you have to find out if two angles are given and third angle is not given, means you have to find like this by using angle sum property. Understood? Now you just tell me, my dear friends, this angle is 60 degree, this angle is 60 degree, this angle is 60 degree. Which type of triangle it is? Yes, very good. It is equilateral triangle. Equilateral triangle. Very good, extremely good. Okay, so let's go to your exercise, and what it's saying will be noticed one by one. Okay, now come to the exercise. What it's saying? First one, it's saying that a triangle is given and two angles are given. What are they? Triangle ABC is given. A, B, C is given. Angle B and C is given. How much it is saying? It's saying 50 and 60 degree. 50 and 60 degree. What is the value of angle A? So, what you have to do? You have to write it as it is. What is that? Angle A plus angle B plus angle C is equal to 180 degree. You have to write the statement. We know that. Because we are already read this one. That's why you have to write it. We know that. What is that? Angle A plus angle B plus angle C is 180 degree. Why? Due to angle sum property ASP. So put the values now. Angle A is nothing is given. Right here X. Angle B is how much? Angle B is 50 degree. Right here 50 degree. Plus angle C is how much? It is 60 degree. And rest of the thing will be as it is. Now add it. X plus 110 degree is equal to 180 degree. Now X is how much? This will go into that side and it will be subtracted. How much it will come in? It is coming 70 degree. So the value of X is how much? Value of X is 70 degree. Like this manner you have to find it by using ASP rule. Okay? Here the important thing is what? Put the value of each angle in a correct positions so that you will find it. What is the meaning? Here angle B is 50 degree, but here I will write angle C is equal to 50 degree. It is wrong. Angle B is how much? Just study the figure and write down the values. Okay? So this is the first one. Okay? What is the second one? Let's go for it. I will make it as it is so that I didn't write more things. Okay? It's saying that what? It's saying that a triangle is given and one side is 90 degree. Then which kind of triangle it is? Yes, it is right angle triangle. Why? One angle is 90 degree. Understood? It's saying that upper angle is 2x, lower angle is x. Here the value of what? Angles are given. Yes, it is given, but in the form of variables. Okay, so how will we find out this one? Okay, so again same thing. We know that angle A plus angle B plus angle C is equal to 180 degree. Why? Angle sum property. Now name is that A, B, C or ACB, whatever it will be. According to your choice, you just name it, because in your books it is not written, but you have to mention it. Okay. Angle A is how much? 2x plus angle B is how much? X. Angle C is how much? The value is given. Yes, it is 90 degree. Right here 90 degree is equal to 180 degree. Now 2x plus x, it is 3x plus 90 degree is equal to 180 degree. Now this 90 will go into that side and subtract. 3x is equal to 180 degree minus 90 degree. Then 3x is how much? It is 90 degree. Now what is the value of x? Value of x is 90 divided by 30. How much it will, 3 is how much? It is coming 30 degree. So x is equal to how much? 30 degree. Which value is x? Angle B is equal to, therefore angle B is equal to x is equal to 30 degree. But which angle is not given, my dear friends? Angle A is not given. What is the value of angle A? Here angle A is how much? 2x, means 2 into value of x is 30. So it is 60 degree. So like this manner you have to find the each and every values of the triangle by using angle sum property. Understood, my dear friends? Okay, very good. Okay, let's do another one. Okay, so that you can understood easily. Remaining will be as it is. Okay, so it is given It is given like this. Triangle. And triangle is saying that what? Name it. A, B, C. Again, I will erase everything. Okay, so that easily understood. So here is saying that all angles are x degree. X, it is x. So now tell me, again you have to write the statement that what? We know that angle A plus angle B plus angle C is equal to 180 degree. Now, just visualize this one. Observe this one. All the angles are written in the x form. No degrees are given, no values are given. So what you have to write? Write x plus x plus x. All the values are x is equal to 180 degree. Total 3x is equal to 180 degree. X is equal to how much? 180 divided by 3. And x is equal to 60 degree. Now angle A is equal to angle B is equal to angle C is how much? Is equal to 60 degree. Means all angles are 60 degree. We have previously discussed that what? If all angles are equal, then which kind of triangle it is? Yes, it is a equilateral triangle. Very good, my dear friends. Very good, extremely good. Okay. Now come to the next one. Okay, next one is what? The rest of the thing you just try by yourself, my dear friends. Okay, so that you can know it how the values are put in the questions, and you will get in by using angle sum property. Okay, let's go to the second one. Come to the second one. What is the second one it is saying? The second one is saying that here is saying that what? The second one is saying find the value of x and y. So first draw the triangle. What is that? The name of the triangle is not given, so write here A, B, C or x, y, z, whatever you want to do, write it my dear friends. Okay. So what is the value it is given here? The value of C is 120 degree. Okay. And x, y is not given. Angle A and interior angle Y is not given. Angle B is how much? Angle B is 50 degree, my dear friends. So remember this one first. Now this problem is related with the previous lesson, that is 6.2. What is that? We know that what? Here. Write it fast. Angle. Okay. You can't put directly angle sum property because here two values are different. X and Y is given. Only one value is given to you. So first we have to remember. What is that? Now here it is saying that angle, written as interior angle AYB angle. AY. It's not Y. ACB angle interior plus ACD angle. ACB angle, this angle plus ACD angle, this angle is how much? It is 180 degree. Why? They are linear pair angle or straight angle. Okay. What is the value of straight angle? The value of straight angle is how much? 180 degree. Now angles ACB is how much? ACB is not given, so write it Y because the value is given as Y plus what is the value of C is given here? The value of C is given 120 degree is equal to 180 degree now. Now find the value of Y by transferring 120 into the opposite side. Okay, so 60 degree now. Angle Y is how much? It is 60 degree. Now angle Y is 60 degree. Now can you find angle A? Yes. Now put the value. What is that? Angle sum property. We know that. Again you have to write it. We know that angle A plus angle B plus angle C is how much? 180 degree. Why? Same thing. Angle sum property. First you have to write like this. Okay. Next, angle A is not given. Write it X. Angle B is how much? Angle B is 50 degree. Angle C is how much? Angle C is how much? Now you get here 60 degree. Then how much? 180. X plus 110 degree. By adding these two, is equal to 180 degree. Now, x is how much now then? Very good. Good. Good, Aniket. It is 70 degree. Very good. Now, like this manner, you have to find the value of interior angles by using the two properties here. First is linear pan angle or straight angles, and angles from property ASP. Like this manner, you have to find out the value of each internal angles of a triangle. Understood, my dear friends? Don't be hesitant, my dear friends. If you have any doubt, write the comments in my comment section. And if you like it, then what? You have to be subscribe my channel so that your friends will getting help from you. Okay. Shall we discuss the next one? Okay, my dear friends. Let's take another one. I'm going to erase this one. I already erased it. Okay. Let's take another one. What is that? It is number 2 only. Okay. Second. Sorry. I have finished. I think so. So, second number is saying that what? The second number is saying that the value of a triangle is given here. Like this one. Huh? Okay, name it A, B, C, here D. Now what are the things it is given, my dear friends? The things is what? The two angles are, this is 60, this is 70 degree. Yes or no? Yes. 50, 60. Okay. Here 50, here 60. Here 50 degree, here 60 degree. And value of Y, this angle is Y and this angle is X. Now, by using the previous lesson property, that is 6.2, what is that? What is that? Angle A plus, tell me. Angle A plus angle B is equal to how much? It is equal to angle ACD. ACD. Okay. What is that? Angle ACD. Okay. Now how much it is? 50 plus 60 how much? Is equal to how much? 110 degree. So angle ACD is how much? 110 degree. Which formula it is? That is exterior angle E of any triangle is equal to what? Opposite interior angle, sum of opposite interior angle. So exterior angle is equal to sum of opposite interior angle. This is the property on the second exercise we are studying. So that's why now ACD is 110 degree. ACD means what? It is X. Now X is equal to 110 degree. Now what is the value? Or you can put here X, then right here 110 degree is equal to X, or X is equal to 110 degree, my dear friends. Understood? Like this manner. Now X is here. What about the Y? Angle Y is equal to what? Who will tell me? Good, Diksha. Very good. What is that? Angle X plus angle Y is what? It is 180 degree. Why? That is what? Linear pair angles. Linear pair angles. You have to write this one. Okay, here angles of property is not using here. Only two properties. Second exercise property and these two are the second exercise property. Angles of property is here, not here. It is not used. Okay. So value of 110, X is equal to 110, Y is not given. Put the values. Angle Y is how much? 180 minus 110 degree is equal to how much? 70 degree. Now, according to angle sum property, angle A plus angle B plus angle C is how much? 180 degree or not? So, angle A is 50, angle C is 60. Now, angle C how much we get? Angle C how much we get? It is 70 degree. So, 70 degree. Is it all of them are equal to 180 degree? Yes. So this is the proof. that what internal angles of a triangle is 180 degree. Understood, my dear friends? Okay. Now come to the next question for you. What is the next question? It is given here, my dear friends. Another two questions are there. Okay. I will do one and you will do another one. Okay. See. Let's go for it. What is that? A triangle is given for you. Like this. Okay. It is 60 degree. Okay, my dear friends. And here it is x, here y, and anything else is there? Yeah, it is given 30 degree. Now, can you tell me what is the solution for this one? Yeah, tell me. Yes, very good. First, you have to name it. A, B, C angle first. And here the angle is given. That's why you have to name it here also, so that you can find it easily. First, you have to use it what? First, find this one. What is that? Angle A, C, B. Internal angle it is equal to angle D, C, E. Find out. A, C, B, D, C, E. Which angles? These two angles are called what? Yes, it is called vertical opposite angles. You have to remember this one. Vertical opposite angles are equal. So angle ACB is x means what is the value of DCE? It is 60 degree. So x is equal to 60 degree, or angle ACB is equal to 60 degree, my dear friends. Understood? Okay, very good. Now angle C is 60 degree. This is 60 degree. What about angle Y? So you have to write, therefore, we know that, therefore, what is that? Angle A plus angle B plus angle C is how much? 180 degree. Yes or no? Why? Angle sum property. Very good. Now put the values. Angle A is not given, write Y. Angle B is 30 degree. Angle C is how much? 60 degree is equal to 180 degree. Understood, my dear friends? Okay. Now solve it. Good. 90, 180 degree. Y is equal to 180 degree minus 90 degree is equal to 90. Means this angle is a what? Right angle. So which kind of triangle it will be? It is a right angle triangle. Which one? Angle BAC is a right angle triangle, and the value of y or the value of angle A is how much? 90 degree. Like this manner, you have to find the various value of internal angles by using angle sum property. Understood, my dear friends? So, can you do it right now? Can you? Otherwise, let's you just try in your home, my dear friends. Okay, some questions I will not do, because it will be tried by you only. Okay, so that you can understood very easily. Okay, so my dear friends, if you understood or if you have any doubt, then write in my comment section. If you have like it, means what you have to do? You have to subscribe my channels for the new videos. So friends, thank you. Have a nice day.